This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Depress the safety catch and lift the bonnet. Unclip the support prop from the slam panel and engage the end with the hole in the underside of the bonnet. Unclip the duct from the air intake and filter housing. Release the clips and remove the plastic cover from the rear of the headlight unit. Pull the wiring plug from the bulb terminals. Push the retaining spring clip ends forward, then move them to the side to disengage them from the retaining lugs. Withdraw the bulb from the rear of the headlight unit. Taking care not to touch the bulb glass with bare skin, insert the bulb into the headlight with the flat on the bulb flange at the bottom. Pivot the retaining clip upwards, then press the ends forwards until they engage with the retaining lugs. Press the wiring plug firmly onto the bulb terminals.